Ayan, okay na. OMG Daisy! Sige, nagsushoot pa ako ngayong gabi kaya medyo minamodulate ko ng voice. Hello! Welcome to another video. Finally, nakashoot na rin ako since August 5 nung last kong pinost na vlog together with my boyfriend, Juvie Rando, yung Samgyupsal namin restaurant, Samgyupsal na vlog namin. Finally, I had the courage now to make a vlog about the supplement that I'm taking, yung Gluta. So excited to share it with you, and yeah, it took me some time to do this kasi nga I have I'm a vampire. Chard, yun yan. So, parang conscious ako na gawin yung vlog na to. But, I have my friend, Bamba. So, she asked me to create a product review kasi gusto niya rin daw umorder ng ginagamit kong supplement. So, let's start! Ayan, so if you're doing your research, this is probably one of them. So, share ko lang po kung bakit ako gumamit ng supplement. So, actually, hindi po talaga ako gumagamit ng any supplement or any tawag nun, mga ano po yung tawag nun? Mga IV drop. Wow! Or iron, whatsoever. Until now na nag-quarantine. Lately, we're working from home, right, as a call center agent. So, I decided na since, syempre, dito sa bahay, maingay sa umaga, gabi yung work ko. So, syempre, hindi ka naman makakatulog talaga kaagad sa umaga when everybody's up. Wala kang air-conditioned na room. Alam mo yun, di ba? So, syempre, you will come to think of ways na makatulong sa pagtulog mo. Sabi ko, pag humanap ako ng supplement na makakatulong siya sa sleep, also sa digestion rin. Kasi nga, I'm also experiencing bowel problems na it took me 5 days before ako na makapoops. At the same time, sa skin ko, a physical attribute. And so, I found out this Relmins. Tada! Ayan. I know na marami na kayo nakikitang mga video sa YouTube, dito sa YouTube, sa Google. So, what made this video different is we'll not only focus on the skin whitening part. I will also emphasize the other benefits that this product can actually give. So, isa-isahin natin kung ano ba yung mga na-feel kong effect from first week up until now. Ginamit ko po siya nung starting May this year lang. And it is available Lazada, Shopee, and this is not a sponsored product. This is only an honest review from me to share with you, especially to my fellow call center agent na nagtatrabaho graveyard. So, kung babae man or lalaki, any gender, this will do. Nag-improve yung sleeping habit ko. I mean to say, yung body clock. As we all know, di ba, kung nagtatrabaho ka, graveyard shift, talagang alam mo yung feeling irritated ka, maapektuhan yung state of mind mo, the way you perform at work, and at the same time sa bahay nyo. Diba? And I think it will also depend on you, diba? Depende sa iyo yun kung hiyang ka sa supplement, vitamins, or any product na gagamitin mo sa katawan mo. Kasi syempre, iba-iba din naman yung ano natin yung system natin sa katawan natin. Grabe, yung metabolism ko, nakatulong talaga siya. As in, parang nagpo-poops. Oo. Nagpo-poops ako for like twice a day. And parang hindi na ako nagbabother na, oh my gosh, hindi rin naman ako makaka-poops nito for like how many days, 5 days na ganito, ganyan. So, nakatulong talaga siya sa digestive system ko, sa bowel movement ko. And may time din na parang, alam mo, parang may LBM ka, pero hindi naman. Parang lang. Oo. Na-notice ko na yung whiter skin ko. Ayan. I will show pictures there. When I started my vlog, if napanood niyo yung mga previous kong vlogs together with my friends, mga funny videos namin, grabe na-notice ko talaga na I don't need to put makeup on it. Alam niyo, yung effect niya is yung confidence niyo. More than whitening your skin and making it luminous kapag natatamaan ka ng araw, is fair siya from head to toe. Tapos siya, yung maganda pa is yung face niyo. Like before, in the middle of the day, I feel like parang nagbe-brown yung face, na parang haggard ka na kapag wala kang makeup, na dapat i-retouch mo siya from time to time. Pero now, hindi na kailangan. Ayun nga, if makikita sa mga videos ko, consistent na consistent na yung tone. Ayan, yung tone or complexion ng inyong skin, lalong-lalo na ng face natin. Siyempre, kahit na we're staying at home lang, we really need to take care of ourselves, of our face, diba? More than making our physical attribute that beautiful. Siyempre, we wanted also to make sure na yung supplement na tinitake natin is healthy for our inside body. So, is Relumin safe? Ayan, so, according to Google, it's been shown in numerous clinical studies to be safe and effective when used as a supplement for skin whitening, and it's complete painless. Ayan. So, yung direction niya po, nandito lang din sa box. And so, for this one, it's reduced L-glutathione complex dietary supplement, 60 vegetarian capsules. Pangalawang bottle ko na po to. So, please, if you have any comments or if na-use nyo na po to and may mga experience po kayo, positive man yan or negative about these products, so just feel free, right? Just feel free to give your feedback in the comment section down below. And baka may mga iba pa kayong products na siya na gusto nyo rin i-share, so just feel free to comment it as well. Oh, by the way, schedule ko na nga pala ngayon kasi every night ako iinom ng ayan, so try natin. Papakita ko sa inyo how it looks like. So, ito siya. Okay. I am not really sure of the other capsule, pero this one looks like a dirty white. Let's take a look. Linis naman yung kamay ko. Basta ganyan, parang dirty white siya. Yung ginagawa ko talagang sinasabay ko siyang iinumin. Hindi ako prepared.
Tita, paano kung sumimili?
Drink the water, bitch! Ayan! Oh, by the way, shout out nga pala sa mga friends ko sa Facebook. Positive comments ako. Sa mga TikTok dance ko. And so please guys, follow me on my social media accounts, Twitter, ayan, TikTok, Instagram, ano pa ba? Facebook, and my Facebook page, OMG Daisies. If you're new to my channel, I am so happy to see you here. So please be part of the Daisy Joyers. Just click subscribe down there, choose all, the bell notification para updated ka pa sa mga upcoming videos ko. And shout out to Tay Jory Abad, our BEC Youth Cultural Director. Abangan niyo po, meron kaming collaboration ng Ka-Babe Squad, Bonray, this week or next week. Ayan. And shout out also to April, Bongski, to August, also to Sissy Gladys. Hello! Thank you so much. And to Shane, Spirito to na naman. Ayan, shout out sa iba ka pang mga friends, supporters. Thank you so much for the continuous love and compliments na pinapakita niyo po sa mga social media accounts ko, sa mga posts ko. And also to this one. Oh! Diba? First time kong ginawa ito, all pastel. So, siguro, i-include ko to next time. DIY. Ayan, diba? Ang galing-galing naman ako. Binuhat ang sariling bangko. Oh! Inspired by Art Arena sa YouTube din po. Check niyo yung YouTube channel niya. Everyone, let's stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and ayan, pray lang na sana matapos ng pandemic na ito. You know, sana everything will be back to normal as soon as possible. So, yeah, see you on my next video. Bye! Like, share, and subscribe!